Northern Cebu, home to calm seas, warm smiles, and a culture that welcomes every visitor like family. For years, this region captured the hearts of travelers with its beaches, heritage sites, food, and friendly communities. But on one unexpected day, everything changed. When the 6.9 magnitude earthquake struck, structures crumbled, roads split, and homes fell. Tourism sites that once overflowed with life became silent. Families were displaced, businesses were forced to close, and the steady heartbeat of tourism came to a sudden stop. It was more than destruction. It was a moment that tested the entire region. But even in the worst moments, something powerful emerged: unity. Strangers became helpers, communities rebuilt hand in hand. Youth, elders, organizations, and volunteers came forward, proving that Northern Cebu may bend, but it will never break. This spirit of resilience became the foundation for a stronger tourism comeback. Our first tourism promotion strategy is restoring confidence. Without safety, there is no tourism. Experts conducted structural assessments on all resorts, ports, walkways, and tourism facilities. Damaged areas were repaired or rebuilt using stronger materials. New safety protocols were introduced, including emergency stations, trained responders, and updated evacuation routes. We want every visitor to know Northern Cebu is safe, prepared, and ready. To rebuild our image, we launched a campaign. This campaign shows a renewed identity, one that honors our past, embraces resilience, and celebrates the beauty that remains. Through storytelling, photography, and community features, we highlight the bravery of our people and the restoration of our attractions. Tourists are not only visiting a destination, they're witnessing a comeback. Behind every tourism site is a community that depends on it. Fisherfolk, guides, artisans, drivers, vendors. Many lost their income after the earthquake. To help them recover, we promote community-based tourism. Visitors can now join cultural tours, fishing demonstrations, weaving workshops, and farm experiences, all led by locals. Every step a student takes supports a family. Every experience revives a livelihood. The earthquake reminded us how fragile nature can be. That is why our tourism promotion also includes ecotourism activities. Travelers can participate in mangrove planting, coastal conservation, reef recovery, workshops, and educational eco-tours. These activities protect the environment while giving visitors a deeper, more meaningful experience. No recovery is possible without unity. Local governments, tourism councils, NGOs, and private partners are working together to rebuild infrastructure and strengthen disaster preparedness. With combined efforts, Northern Cebu is not just recovering, it is rising stronger, smarter, and more resilient. The earthquake tested our strength, but it also revealed our courage. Today, Northern Cebu stands with renewed hope, renewed beauty, and renewed determination. Northern Cebu, a new dawn begins. Come and be part of our ride.